Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King, for those of you who do not know me. And for today, I want to just show you this birthday centerpiece that I am making for an event. I'm like very tired. I've started back to work. I'm a third grade teacher and we are doing it virtually. So there's like a lot I have to learn. So I'm just kind of exhausted, but I love crafting, so I'm trying to fit that in. And I just want to encourage you at this time, if you haven't had the chance to subscribe to my channel, or if you're here for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel for a variety of DIY projects. So like I said, I am working on a birthday party centerpiece. And I was gonna go ahead and just make it, but I was like, okay, well, why don't I share this just in case it can be a help to somebody that's planning a birthday party. So I just wanna start by letting you know the things that you're gonna need for this project. You're gonna need a box like this. You won't need the lid, so I'm gonna take that off. And this, I got this from Michael's for $3. And I love it. It's a nice, perfect square. So I think it's really quality. You're gonna need paint of your choice. I'm using turquoise because that's one of my colors. You're gonna need, so with the paint, of course, you're gonna need a paintbrush. And I think that's about it to go with for your paint. You're gonna need, what is this called? It's called pom-poms. So you are gonna need some pom-poms, with a tissue pom-poms. And I have the 12-inch diameter. I got this from Dollar Tree. Scissors, stapler, and then you're gonna have to print on cardstock. And I found a site, or a, what would I call it? I found because I'm so tired I can't think clearly. I found a link in order to get like free downloads. So you're gonna need to, and I will share that link in the description below. But you're gonna need that in order to get your printout, and you wanna print it out on cardstock paper in color. So you can get it, and make sure you print out both, like one facing this way and one facing that way, because you gotta put them together to make your centerpiece. So you're gonna need that. You're gonna need some dowels. And I'm also gonna use a block of foam. I'm gonna cut these in half to go inside the boxes. And your hot glue gun. So I believe I covered everything, and if I forgot anything, I will let you know throughout the video. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, this is days later and I'm still working on this project, and I want you to add ribbon to your list. And if you're doing the Paw Patrol theme, this is a nice addition, this paw print ribbon. So I'm gonna use this. And I'm just gonna show you how I put the box together. Get 2 pieces. I'm using this piece to measure the second piece. To make sure that I have it centered, I'm putting the ribbons side by side. And I'm just looking because I want them to be centered. Start and stop the ribbon along the edge so that it's not as visible where it starts and stops at. Okay, now I'm gonna get ready to add another ribbon, and I'm gonna place that in the center. So I'm gonna start gluing this one in the center, not along the edges like the other 2 ribbons. So I'm gonna place this one in the center. And it's okay to cut a little extra for this ribbon so that it overlaps, because you're gonna put a bow where it overlaps so it won't be visible. So I'm just going around, giving it a dot of glue to attach. Okay, I'm gonna try to show you how I make my bow, but I am not an expert at this. So I'm just kind of taking it crisscross it like this. So I kind of like form a shape like this. And then I'm gonna use my stapler to hold this like this. So I'm trying to get it the way I want it to be. And then it's my stapler. Now, for this side, I'm gonna fold it. Making sure I have it the way I want it. Okay. I'm folding it in the middle, and then I'm gonna use the stapler to try to hold that in place. So when I'm done, and see, I don't think I like that, but when I'm done, this is how it's gonna look. And then I'm just gonna take a smaller piece and wrap it around this with some hot glue to create the bow. So with the little center added, this is how it looks. So then I'm gonna take my box and hot glue it on. Give it a dot of glue here in the middle. Just stick it on there. And that's how it looks. And I already did one on the other side as well. Okay, and remember you gotta do one on both sides because it is a centerpiece. Make sure you have a lighter handy as well, because if I saw the ribbon unraveling a little, I burnt it. You know, just gave it a little fire just to keep it from unraveling. I'm doing another design for this box. I have some bling wrap from the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna cut 3 rows, and just place in the center. I may add something more, but I just want to have another design. So that's what I'm about to do now, and then I'm going to show you my last step for this centerpiece. Okay, and then this is the other design. I do want to put something more on this, so we'll see. Now for the center of the box, or to fill the box, you're going to take your pom-pom. I'm going to cut it in half right here in the middle. So you're going to find the middle. Let me cut it. It's like a ribbon here. Because you only need half of this. Kind of thick. Okay. So I got half. I'm going to take my stapler and staple the end of that half. And make sure you have a stapler that can go through. And then I'm just going to begin to open this fan up. I'm just pulling. Be gentle because it will tear, but if it tears, it's not the end of the world. Okay, so I'm pulling it apart. So I'll pull one on this end. Just pulling it apart. Okay, take a block of foam, get you a knife, cut it in half, because you only need a half a piece. Just something for the stick to hold on to, or the dowel. Okay, I'm taking this. I'm taking one of my inserts or pieces. And then I want to just kind of find the center. And I cut this at a slant to give it a pointy tip to easily be able to insert it. Then you just take the box and slide it on in. And then you just have to play with the tissue paper a little to get it the way you want it to be. Okay, these are my creations, and make sure you check out the link in the description below that gives you access to these free downloads. And make sure you comment and let me know what you think of these centerpieces. And if you know someone that has a birthday party coming up and maybe this is their theme, or I can even see this being adopted for other things, because the box idea can be used for different things as well. And if you haven't had the chance to subscribe to my channel, please do so now. I thank you for viewing my video today. Until I see you next time. Bye.